Howdy everyone, and welcome to Group Romeo's presentation on the new Internet of Things. So, we have produced an automated glucometer and insulin delivery device, which has been powered by Azure Sphere, and an accompanying web app. So, we decided to call the product Gluck, after the German word meaning like good health, good luck, happiness, that sort of thing. So, what this does is, the device is able to measure a user's glucose levels. It can do this continuously once every 5 seconds. It will send this data to the cloud back to IoT Central, where we can do whatever we want with it. The cloud then tells the device whether to inject insulin into the patient, and if so, how much to inject. And then doctors can use the web app to view the patient data in real time. I just wanted to also make a note on what Azure Sphere does, because with the medical industry, if someone hacks your pacemaker, well, that is bad. And as we all know, the S in IoT stands for security. So Azure Sphere makes IoT devices much more secure by design. So it implements features like native certificate authentication and Azure Sphere OS, this high-level OS which automatically updates. It also provides firmware capabilities, meaning that the device cannot be made to do anything it wasn't pre-programmed to do. So overall, this makes the device much safer than currently existing contemporary medical devices. So now we're going to demo the product. Hopefully it will go well, and I will see you in a little bit. So here is our Firestore platform. So that's basically a NoSQL database, and all the data which we get from Azure IoT Hub arrives here. So let's just have a quick look. Let's look at some recent data that we've gotten from the device. Here we go. Here's some. Let's look for a bit more recent. Let's look for maybe a few hours ago or a few minutes ago. Here you go. So now, yeah, there's also, just as it showed, there's also like, it shows personal information as well, like doctor and patient data and messages. It's like quite a lot of stuff here. Okay, so here you've got the Gluck website. Let's start by going to our profile, for example. And here you can see, for example, my personal information. You can see whether I'm a patient or a doctor. And you can also see my devices. So I've got a device attached. Let's go to C. Okay, so it's loading. There we go. So you can see it's quite sparse at the moment, and that's just because there are long times without any data. So let's go to this time. So you can see that it's currently on 0. That's just because I haven't applied voltage across it. I'll do it now, and hopefully it should update. Yep, there we go. So you can see that it's updating in real time now. Let's wait for one more. Yeah, okay. So you can see that it's now updating as the server receives data. So let's go to the doctor's bit, where we can go to my doctor. That wasn't supposed to happen. And let's go say hi. So I'll say hi, and then he can, and then Nav can, when he's able to, say, greet me as well. So there you go. You've got a fully functional chat menu. So, yeah, this concludes our demo for Gluck, so thank you for watching. So, I hope you enjoyed watching the demo, and now let's wrap up, I guess. So, I hope we've shown that Azure Sphere really is viable for protecting and for helping IoT devices to function correctly. And we hope that this will inspire the next generation of such medical devices. Indeed, we do envision a world, perhaps, where even devices are able to treat people without needing any intervention from people. Although, to be fair, it might be a while before we get there. So thank you, and we'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have.